In this video, we will check if an equation is dimensionally correct or not. So for this, we will first know that principle of dimension and homogeneity. That means in a mathematical expression or equation involving physical quantities, each term on either side of the equation or expression must have the same dimension. So let's discuss this with some examples. So this is one equation where we have to check with whether it is dimensionally correct or not. So each term on both sides should have the same dimension, then only it will be dimensionally correct. So this is displacement which have dimension of L. You have dimension of L t to the power minus 1, that means velocity. So dimension of this will be L t to the power minus 1 dimension of velocity into time, that is t. So if we multiply this, it will be L only. Then half at square. So neglecting the half part because it is dimensionless. So at square. A is acceleration which have dimension of L t to the power minus 2 into t square. So if you multiply these two, we will get only L. So each term on both sides of the equation has dimension L which are same. So this equation is dimensionally correct. Moving on to next example, E equal to mgh plus half mv square. E is the total energy and this is potential energy and this is kinetic energy. We will have to check whether it is dimensionally correct or not. So E, dimension of this will be m L square to the power minus 2. Then comes mgh, mass. G is L t to the power minus 2, h is also L. So if you multiply all this will become m L square t to the power minus 2. Then comes half mv square. Half is dimensionless, so m is the mass, v square equal to L t to the power minus 1 dimension of velocity square. So m L square t to the power minus 2. So all these terms have same dimension. So this equation is also dimensionally correct and this equation is also dimensionally correct. Thank you.